Welcome to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The year 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for camera enthusiasts, with several major brands gearing up for exciting new releases. OM System is making waves with a retro-style Micro Four Thirds camera, while Fujifilm has an impressive 4 new cameras in the pipeline. But now, it looks like Sony is stepping up with the much-anticipated A7V, which has been making headlines due to recent leaks and official certifications. Sony A7V leaks and certification details. According to recent reports, an official Indonesian certification spotted by Photo Rumors has confirmed that the Sony A7V is indeed on the way. The certification, featuring the model number WW277226, aligns perfectly with Sony's A7 series lineup, such as the A7RV and A7CR. Since both of these models are still relatively new in the market, speculation suggests that Sony may be focusing on the A7V rather than continuing with the A7S series, which has traditionally been aimed at videographers. Interestingly, there have been growing rumors that Sony might discontinue the A7S lineup to prioritize dedicated video cameras under their FX series. If this speculation holds, the A7V could emerge as the next major hybrid powerhouse, catering to both photographers and content creators. Expected release timeline. While the certification does not reveal extensive technical details, it strongly indicates that the A7V is in the final stages of development. Industry insiders suggest that Sony might announce the camera as early as March 2025, with an official release likely following in April. If this timeline is accurate, photographers and videographers won't have to wait much longer to get their hands on this highly anticipated device. Rumored specifications. Though concrete details are scarce, leaks and industry analysts have pieced together some exciting potential specifications for the Sony A7V. Among the most talked about features is a faster 44-megapixel full-frame sensor. This would mark a significant upgrade in resolution and speed, offering improved performance for high-resolution photography and video recording. In addition to sensor improvements, the A7V is rumored to incorporate AI-powered enhancements, particularly in autofocus and subject tracking. Sony has long been a leader in autofocus technology, and the A7V could take this even further with real-time tracking powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. Whether you are capturing fast-moving sports action or wildlife photography, the A7V is expected to provide precise and reliable autofocus. Video capabilities. On the video side, early leaks suggest the A7V could support 4K recording at an impressive 120 frames per second. If this rumor is true, it would be a major upgrade for content creators who require high frame rates for slow-motion footage and cinematic visuals. Enhanced color profiles, improved dynamic range, and efficient heat management are also expected, making the A7V an attractive option for videographers seeking versatility in a compact mirrorless package. Pricing expectations. As of now, there has been no official confirmation regarding the pricing of the Sony A7V. However, industry speculation suggests that it will likely be priced in the same range as the Sony A7 IV, which originally launched at $2,499. Given the current market, the A7 IV can now be found at discounted rates of around $2,198 on platforms like Amazon. This raises interesting questions about whether Sony will maintain a similar price point for the A7V or introduce it at a slightly higher cost, considering the rumored feature enhancements. Competitive landscape. The launch of the Sony A7V comes at a time when competition in the mirrorless camera market is heating up. With Canon, Nikon and Panasonic also planning major releases in 2025, Sony will need to ensure that the A7V stands out with cutting-edge features and competitive pricing. Canon is rumored to be developing a new EOS R model with enhanced low-light performance, while Nikon is expected to launch an update to its Z-series lineup, focusing on improved autofocus and sensor technology. Panasonic, on the other hand, is aiming to make waves with new hybrid models offering high-end video features at accessible price points. What to expect next? While leaks provide exciting insights, it's important to take all rumors with a grain of salt until official announcements are made. Camera technology is evolving rapidly, and manufacturers often keep their best innovations under wraps until the last moment. If the A7V follows in the footsteps of its predecessors, we can expect a powerful, feature-rich camera that caters to the evolving needs of both photographers and content creators. Final thoughts. 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling year for the photography and videography community. With brands like Sony, Fujifilm, and OM System all pushing the boundaries of camera technology, There's no doubt that exciting developments lie ahead. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates, rumors, and in-depth analysis of the latest camera releases. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.